Mike here. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood. It's -12 and I'm at the truck graveyard, otherwise known as the truck wreckers. So somewhere over here is that Kenworth cab, and I'm gonna go trudging through the snow to take a look at it again. Because I know I told him I was gonna take the dash and stuff out of it. I don't think anyone's taken parts out of it yet. So I told him not to let anybody take any parts out, but I mean, really, would they listen to me? Probably not. So let's go take a look at it. And I didn't bring any boots, but that's okay, because I'm tough. My Peterbilt salesman. Actually, it's got nothing to do with a Peterbilt salesman. Maybe a salesman in general. You're just, you know, you got thick skin. So wow, this is crazy. I'm like walking on the snow in my loafers. They're actually Crocs, and yeah, it's hard and crusty. Hardened and crusty. Oh yeah, there it is. I did pick the right route. There's a that old white Freightliner. That's pretty cool. You gotta wonder if anyone's actually gonna take any more parts off these suckers. You know that? I can't imagine there's too many people looking for white Freightliner parts, but what's in there? Old Freightliner. They've actually got quite a few Freightliner cabs here, so could probably, if I get a Freightliner one day, get some parts. But that's the one I'm looking for. And what I was curious about is the roof cap. The window surrounds. The glass is actually good on the passenger side. This is actually where I got the grill piece for Kenny. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, that's good. It's got blue interior for blue buttons, which is kind of awesome. Don't see anything living in here yet. Or maybe I chased it out. Yeah, see, interior back there is not bad. A little bit moldy, but this is what I want right here. It's this dash. Because look at this. It's not all broken. Ironically, it's broken down there. Gosh, this isn't very good light in here. But yeah, this dash isn't broken. So I'm definitely coming back to get this dash. One way or another. And some buttons. I need some buttons, man. Not really anything else. The dash, get some buttons. Wherever they go. Could probably get some out of here. Might be a good idea to do this. Yeah. Definitely need that dash. It's ironic that the dash piece that always breaks is the one piece that's still in one piece. So, okay, that's what we're doing. Ugh. But not today. So basically all I wanted to check was to make sure that dash was good. Check out the interior color, and that's good. So yeah, the roof, we'll see. I might need that cap for another project. But we'll see, because I don't know that the cab is good for anything other than that. So especially if I pull the dash and all the heater controls out. No, it's chilly. Oh, that's cool. I never noticed the three windows in the back. It's pretty cool. Cool. It's not too often you see cab overs with windows in the back where I'm from, but wonder if anyone's ever had windows in the back of an Aerodyne. I should check some K200s and see if they have them in Australia. Some windows in the back. And this is where all their Kenworth parts are. There's just a few. A few hundred. But the problem is this isn't the place to come get a rear clip, because they want to sell you the parts and pieces. They don't want to sell you whole trucks or big chunks of trucks, because they make their money by, you know, selling suspension components and diff housings and stuff like that, not selling complete rear clips. So the hunt continues for the rear clip for Kenny. Although there is a truck on Kijiji right now that I was thinking about buying to cut up, so we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll ask for more pictures on it. So you know what, guys, this is what I would like to find. So we've got, this is like a 2019 Peterbilt Tri-Drive that crashed, and check out how long the frame rails are. Now, if I could get the two back diffs with suspension, take the front axle out, look at how much frame that would be for Kenny. Now, how cool would that be? That'd be super cool. Problem is, he won't sell me the frame rails and those housings, so dang. So the hunt continues. But you know what, a Tri-Drive would be really easy to make a stretch frame. Actually, what would be really cool is to make Kenny into a Tri-Drive. But then I would have to do like the Boss Garage, where he's moving the cab onto a separate set of frame rails, which, you know, if you're building a Tri-Drive, that would be the way to do it. Find a Tri-Drive where the cab has been crunched, and because then you get your 20 front, your spacing's right, you're not cutting the frame and welding it back together again. And might have to look, excuse me, might have to look into that. That would be cool. And here's the Peterbilt cab. There's only one though, and there's this panel, but it's got this mirror thing on it. I thought about trying to cut this panel out. There's not much left here though. This is where I got Kenny's roof panel. Or pardon me, Kenny's. I didn't get Kenny's roof panel here. I got the one that I'm JB welding back together. So, and of course this is all buggered. Passenger dash is buggered. Oh. Although it does have that rear light that I need. Oh, did I bring a screwdriver? I wonder if I brought a screwdriver. I bet you I didn't bring a screwdriver. But that's totally the light that I need. Dang it. I should have brought tools. Oh well, I think I'm the only one in this town looking for Peterbilt parts, so. And I'm falling through the snow. So that's good to know. I know where to get the dome light for that console, because the dome light is buggered. But yeah, it's all sorts of parts. There are rear clips, but they don't have any frame, you know, and I want the frame. I want the frame, he says. Kenny needs to be longer. We're gonna stretch him out. But if I'm gonna stretch him out as a tandem, I don't know what I was gonna say there. If I'm gonna stretch him out, I think I'll keep him a tandem because of the cost factor, but a Tri-Drive would be cool. So I just keep looking. See, there's one there, but that's got airliner in it. Although that, you know what, that could work if I took the front suspension out of that. I don't know, guys. What are your thoughts on Airliner? You know, it's a decent suspension, but if I put Airliner suspension behind Kenny, would that be turning him into a Morphodite? Would that be considered butchering him, or would that make him, you know, cool? Because I kind of wanted to keep the Kenworth with the Kenworth suspension, but by the same token, you know, there's nothing wrong with Airliner. I know guys that have put Airliner on Kenworths before because it's a good suspension, so maybe I should do that. But anyways, guys, leave a note down below what you think. What kind of rear suspension should I put in Kenny? Should I see about buying a Freightliner rear clip for it? And yeah, leave a comments down below, smash that like button, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it very much. Cheers. Bye. Gosh, it's cold out here. Freaking freezing. You know, and it's not even so much the cold, but it's the wind. Wind chill. I hate it how the, you know, the modern day thing is, well, it's gonna be minus 42 to the wind chill. And I just spitty talked. But the reality is, wind chill's cold.